Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this free Dogecoin mining website where you mine Dogecoin for free every single second, guys. So all you need to do is just watch this video till the very end without skipping any parts, guys. If this is your first time visiting this YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more latest content, guys. I'll provide a link to this website in the description box of this video. Just click on the description box, register and you mine free Dogecoin every single second, guys. With all that being said, guys, let's go straight into the video. So guys, welcome to this Dogecoin mining website. With this website, you can mine Dogecoin for free every single second. All you have to do, just click on where it says start mining right here. So clicking on start mining, you can mine Dogecoin on this website for free without any single deposit. So for you to start mining, you need to have a Faucet Pay account, guys. So once you do that, once you have the Faucet Pay account, you just have to come right here and you enter your Faucet Pay email address right here. You can see it there. So once you do that, your account will be logged in successfully, guys. So I will enter my own Faucet Pay email address right now and will start mining this Dogecoin absolutely for free. So I've done that. I'll just click on start mining, guys, to log in my own Faucet Pay account and let's mine this free Dogecoin, guys. So this website is absolutely for free. All you just have to do is just have a Faucet Pay email address, register an account for yourself, and you mine free Dogecoin every single second, guys. There's no stress here. You just have to mine Dogecoin for free, guys. So immediately you have logged in successfully, your Dogecoin mining will start mining immediately, guys. So you can see this is the Dogecoin homepage. You can see my total balance of Dogecoin 0.0007 Dogecoin has been mined so far, guys. So the website is absolutely for free. You don't need to make any single deposit. So once you are registered, you'll be given 2 GHz mining speed for free, guys, which will enable your mining of Dogecoin, which is going on right here, guys. So scrolling down, you can see today's possible earnings. So every single day I will be mining 0.001 Dogecoin every day for free on this website. So guys, that is just how it works, guys. So you can see the free plan right here. You can see the details of any here. Every single day I will get a profit of 0.003 Dogecoin every single day for straight 180 days. No deposit, no, you don't need any single deposit. It's absolutely for free, guys. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. So clicking on this icon right here, let's see how it goes. This is just the withdrawal page, but that is the last time I'm going to show you guys. So let's click on this particular icon right here, which will show you can see your account history, right, your account right here, your history and all of that. So clicking on referrals right here, let's see how it goes. You need to click right here, you get your referral link, share to your family and friends, and once the register is your link, you're going to be earning massively. So all you just have to do is just copy this referral link right here. You can see it. You can click right here, just select all and you click copy. So that is just how it works. That is another way you earn here with this website. So after you must have earned massively, you can see you need to have a Faucet Pay account for you to be able to withdraw right here. So once you have reached the minimum threshold of withdrawal, you just come right here, you enter the amount you want to withdraw and you click on what confirm request to withdraw your Dogecoin straight to your account, guys. So that is how this website works. It's so simple and straightforward. There's no stress right here. So let's go back to our account right here. So all you need to do, just click on the link provided in the description box of this video, create an account for yourself and mine free Dogecoin for yourself every single second, guys. So guys, if you enjoy the content of this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.